home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash the side.
Good morning, guys. I'm on my way to Kingston now, and yeah, my hair looks different. I took out my wig, my braids, and kind of washed my hair. I didn't get to detangle it, so I hope when I go back to wash it, that it doesn't tangle up. But yeah, I think I got the right way. I definitely am going the right way. Yeah, I'm driving into Kingston now, so I'll talk to you guys when I reach here, so you guys can hear me better. Okay, Nene, say.
Danny's favorite holiday.
Yep.
Yes.
High five, Nene.
Wait,
high five. Yeah, remember, we can't
bounce.
Yeah, we can't bounce it.
Uh-oh.
Alright, Sash, say hi, just wave. Yeah, and this is Nene. Nene doesn't mind because Nene knows she's beautiful, either or. Always beautiful. Tell me, Nene.
Natural beauty.
Natural beauty, yep. Give that a like and comment and tell the Nene that natural beauty wins all the time.
Natural beauty conquers.
Anyways, I did up my hair because Sashana said my hair looked dry, so I think you guys can probably see me. And don't mind Sashana's room. I won't show the room, but she's cleaning. She's a wife and she's cleaning right now. It's so fast, full of her. But anyways, and I'm sorry about the lighting. If it might be a little bit yellow, but we're inside. Yeah. Come here, Nene.
Hey.
I like this hairstyle, and I saw she made a start rocket from.
It looks good on you.
Looks good. Thank you.
Hey, I'm wearing my skirt.
This is what I feel like, the lady who does the... Okay. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I'm supposed to go on the road with my friend, but I asked him where we're going just so I can make sure I want to go wherever we're going. And him not respond back to me yet, so... I might go on the road, I might not go on the road. And so Shauna's supposed to order me and Danny food.
Oh, she told us. I didn't forget.
I hope they didn't hear that.
They didn't pass it from the place.
Tipantona, bendalona.
Okay.
Tipantona.
Got him! Got him!
Wine and some shit.
Oh, wine. I like wine. Yeah, see, my beautiful cousin. And she going like she not always look good. A hot girl, listen. Always. Huh?
Alright, cool.
You coming to look for me?
Where is Sashana?
Wow, you stink like one. I don't mean you call.
Cow?
That's what you get.
Downtown.
You downtown now?
This is because I know you guys like to adventure.
Anyways.
I was downtown.
Kyle, you can't call me straight. Yeah. Disconnecting. Anyways. So guys, this is Nene in the dress and the purse. Isn't she beautiful? Yes, and it fits. I'm glad it fits. I hope Devani one fits. So hot boy Devani, hot girl Danine. Yes.
I love it so much. I like the purse. Dress.
And she had her belt. She had her untouched with a belt, and she had her Minnie Mouse ears. Hot girl Nene. Yes. Right. Hi everybody. Guess who we're with again today? didn't have anything to do right now. It was just plans got changed around. So I don't really have anything to do right now. But we're going on the road. I don't know where I'm going though, because I'm saying where are we going, and oh no, I can't hear an answer, but whatever. Anyway, just enjoy the video. And this person who said he doesn't want to be in the video, but he's in the video right now, and he's gonna forever be in the video. Forever video thing, right? But yeah, man, talk to them. Hey, we don't want these people to try to charge for that song and turn this down.
H, come out of the way.
Oh yeah, so no. You saw my copy my style? When we cross body? Copycat. Crossbody pack, that's what it's called. Some people say fanny pack, but fanny pack is different. Crossbody.
Fanny pack.
Anyways, it might copy me. But enjoy the video, guys, and I hope. Oh, look at this little van. It reminds me of the Mystery Machine from Scooby-Doo. Yeah.
So much
You act like you never watched Scooby-Doo. Life you say you never watched.
Everybody watch.
Yeah. But anyways, welcome to Jamaica. Today is December 12th. Today's December 12th, and it's currently 1 after 1. I didn't tell you guys what day it was, so now you know. I'm editing my video from 4 days ago. I want to have that up today. I also uploaded a video. I'll try to leave the card up top. Oh shit. I'll leave the card up top. I think it comes up here. So you guys can go click and watch it, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And then I'll try to get the other videos out as soon as possible so we can be all up to date. Right? Yeah. Alright, bye. No, I deleted some of it. I have an hour and 30 minutes, and I don't really record an hour worth of footage in a day. We in Birds. I don't see a sign to show you guys, but basically it's a auto parts store. It's very similar to a lot of auto parts stores in America, but instead of, like, you know, shopping in there and picking up what you want and go buying it, you have to tell the person what you want. They'll print you an invoice. You pay for it, and then you pick up the item that you want. Somebody's calling me, so I gotta go.
Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Birds flying high.
I'll show you guys the pictures. I might put them up on the screen. Come on, boss. Something to the AC now. AC hot. Guys, this is supposedly I know weed. I'm big like what? I know weed. Wow. Alright, bye.
Hello? Hello?
So right now we're at Burger King. We're in the drive-thru. There's no McDonald's, right? In Jamaica. So it's Burger King and KFC and Popeyes. There's, what's that one I call again? The pizza place.
Pizza.
No, well, yeah, there's Pizza Hut, the other one, the $5 pizza, whatever. Little Caesars, there's Little Domino's. Yeah, I think those are like the foreign chains. But we also have
It's not work.
oh wait, there's Wendy's. They talk to them, say what's wrong?
Hello?
Can I get a chicken sandwich, please?
Yeah,
What you want?
which number is the chicken sandwich?
The American chicken sandwich.
Yeah, which number is it? What's it look like?
8 or 9.
Oh, yeah, I have one too.
Oh, give me 2 chicken sandwich.
Flavor soda.
No, it's not.
Hello?
Just
Sprite.
give me
Flavor
Sprite.
soda for the 2 American.
No.
Give me Sprite.
Order is complete.
Yeah, man.
A Sprite.
1,500, alright?
Okay. But you're always talking. Can't you just? Zoops.
I'm rude. I think he can probably see the both of us if I said it like this and hold it like this. You can most likely see the both of us. But him. You must stress. Poor thing. A bird just shit on my face. Just shit on my face right here. Shit on my face. This is the proof. That's the proof. That right there, that thing. I just feel something drop on my face. I just washed it with my face, by the way. I washed my face with soap and water. But is it good luck or bad luck that something poop on your face? Like, I heard it was good luck, but how could something so nasty be good luck? I'm upset. Where's the garbage bin? Let me throw this out. Anyways, this is my cousin Malik. What's your goodie? Skin clean and nice.
I'm all screwed out, you know.
Let me try. Get Devani, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
That's Devani. And then everybody. So Shauna disappeared somewhere. Sorry, Devani, it's bright. Alright, let's go in the room. I can turn off the light when I go in the room. I'm editing, so before you even go on the bed, before you even sit on right here, so hold on. This can't move this. Can't bounce it, nothing, because then it will disconnect and then I'll have to redo it.
S playing on the track.